Welcome to Tirta Empul Temple, one of the most sacred purification sites in Bali. If you're coming without a private tour guide, here's how you can experience the Melukat, or purification ritual step by step. First, pay the entrance fee at the ticket counter. After that, enter through the main gate when you will see the beautiful statue of Lord Indra, the god who believed to have created the holy spring water here. Next, put on a kaman or sarong, which is free for all visitors. The yellow sash should be tied around your waist. It symbolizes the self-control and respect inside the temple area. After wearing your sarong, walk through the temple complex. You can stop at the beautiful photo spot near the stone gate on the left side before entering the purification area. If you're planning to do the purification ritual, you will need to rent a special sarong for bathing, which is cost around 10,000 rupiah, and a locker for your belongings, around 25,000 each. Second, initial prayer at the main temple. Before entering the purification pool, offer your prayers at the main temple to seek permissions and blessing from the divine. Third, entering the holy spring pool area. There are two main pools with a total of 30 water spots. You should begin at the first spot from the left side and follow the sequence from spot 1 until 10. But skip spot 11 and 12 as they are reserved for purification related to that ritual or pitrayatnya. Fourth, the Melukat process or cleansing ritual. Stand under each water spot and take a moment to pray or reflect. Rinse your face and body 3 times to symbolize the cleansing of the mind, body, and spirit. Allow yourself to be present, feeling the sacred energy and clarity that comes from the holy water. Continue to the second pool. After completing the first pool, you may proceed to the second pool for a deeper spiritual purification. Repeat the process at each water spot with sincerity and mindfulness. 6. Completing the ritual and final reflections. After Melukat, you may exit the pool and dry yourself and enter the main temple area where the holy spring of Tirta Empul originates. Before entering, make sure that all women tie up their hair. But if you don't have a hair tie, it is available for free at the front gate. Then, continue to pray inside the temple area. Before leaving the temple, you will pass by the fish pond. Fishes here are believed to bring good luck, and you can also feed them before exiting the temple area. Don't forget to return your free kaman that you used to its original place. Before visiting, it is recommended to bring your own offering, but if you don't have one, you can easily buy it inside the temple area. For those who need assistance, local tour guides are available to accompany you and explain the purification process from start to finish with a service fee around 250,000 rupiah. By following this step, you can experience the spiritual purification ritual at Tirta Empul more easily and meaningfully.
Start your next trip with Bali Sundaram Shuffle!